I think it's very important on the International Day for Women to discuss mental health issues of women, and I'm glad that Bharat Dialogues has brought together a whole lot of women to discuss various facets of mental health. I think it's very important to understand that mental health and well-being is very well kind of ingrained in society and its matrix. So where there is poverty, where there is gender discrimination, where there is violence against women, where there is not enough social security, where there is not enough support and acceptance, the likelihood of psychological distress amongst women is likely to increase. This year's theme of International Women's Day is to include women and their participation at all levels so that they will be contributing to the betterment of society as well as with nation building. And therefore, when we talk about issues that involve women's mental health, it's very important to address issues of stigma, of being able to talk about mental well-being and mental distress, informal supports to improve mental health care, including advice about self-care, getting help whenever it's necessary, and also getting the right kind of help and support, not only for recovering from mental illness, but also support thereafter, which also means that women's health is on a continuum from antenatal periods to the elderly women with mental health, where isolation and loneliness are important problems. So whether it's women at home, women in workplaces, women coming for health-related problems, we need to make sure they're supported in all of these. We need to reduce the stigma. We need to talk more about mental health and well-being, and we need to encourage help seeking so that distress is limited and mental illnesses are taken care of promptly and appropriately.